came back from some grocery shopping. Yeah, they're all ready to go. Yeah, I was really surprised that not many kids wanted to attend this year. Yeah, it was only 5. Oh. It was only 50, because last year, wasn't it more like 75? Yeah, they're all ready to go. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello? Oh, hi, Holly. Yep. Yeah, they're all ready. All 50 of them. And I also got some coloring sheets for the kids. Yeah, it was from an online shop. It's called rosaclopez.etsy.com. You should check it out. Yeah, she has a lot of cool stuff on there. And it looks like she puts a lot of effort, a lot of work. Yeah. Yeah, but anyways, what time should I arrive for the party? Okay, noon? Awesome. Alright, so that gives me like 2 hours. Oh, tomorrow? But Valentine's Day is today. Yeah, that's good. Oh, right, it is tomorrow. Today is Valentine's Day, but the party is tomorrow. Right. Of course I knew it was tomorrow. I just got my dates mixed up. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye. Rosa.etsy.com. Work in Progress was filmed in front of a live studio audience.